Hey everybody, I have something exciting to show you. I've been on here for months watching these ladies, these wonderful, wonderful ladies doing their Ipsy bags and their Walmart bag boxes and everything, and all we got is that sad little battle box, and I think there's some superhero boxes out there, but I haven't found them yet. You know I like my superheroes. Alright, here's the thing. I called up Ipsy and I said, hey guys, there's 50% of the marketplace out there you guys ain't getting. I said, your marketing strategy sucks. You need to ramp it up. And the lady said, because she used to be a YouTuber, she said, dude, you're right. Let me get you out of box. And she did. Boom. She got me out a pink bag. What the hell was she thinking? Something wrong with that girl. Anyway, I haven't opened any of this. Let's see what's inside. Ha! Look at that. Batman. Batman. Sorry, guys. All right. Everybody likes Batman. Or you like to hate Batman. It's your choice. All right. Let's see what's in the Batman box that Ipsy sent me. Thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending me a Batman box. Oh my God. You're not gonna believe what Ipsy put in the Batman box. An LCP 380. Oh, Ipsy loves me. They love me. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna keep that no matter what. No matter what happens, I'm keeping the weapon. That's great. Well, being that it's Ipsy, you know that they would be thinking of camouflage and concealment, because you either gotta hide your man or you gotta hide in the woods and go hunting. I don't know, but look at here. I don't know what it is. It says foundation. I bet it's for hunting. Let's see. Well, it sucks. It's kind of fucked up. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't say that. Anyway, I guess that's what it's for. Hunting. But it's not a very good product. You see, it's falling apart on me. I'm going to call Ipsy back. I'm going to call them back and tell them about that. That's just, look, it's stuck in there. Alright, you don't, Ipsy, take care of this product. It sucks. Oh, what else they got in here? Hey, they got a compass. They do think we're going hunting and that we're going to be drunk and get lost. There you go. You can learn how to shoot an azimuth and find your way home. Or into a creek bed somewhere where you may never be seen again. Might want to learn how to read this puppy. It'll be good. Be good, dog. Oh, what else did they give us? Oh, looky there. Mosquito repellent. Or is it cologne? It says repel. Let's see what it is. It's Deep Woods Off. Cologne mosquito repellent. Yeah, that's good. That will bring the girls in. That'll bring the girls in right there. Or the deer. What else do I got? Look! Look, it's more concealment! Look at there! That's cool! It was so nice of Ipsy to send me this stuff. Oh man, I can blend in anywhere. You give me a trash can, and I'm just blending right in. That's great. Uh-oh. When you get in trouble with the old lady because you was hunting too long, or at the bar with your foo-foo juice trying to get you some because she didn't give you none on Valentine's Day, bad lady. All right, if she puts you in the doghouse, you have water purification tablets, so you can clear up Fido's water and you can drink with the dog because you got a hangover and you need liquid. Oh, what else did they give me? Ah, a bear whistle. They didn't give me no bear spray, I don't see. But if the bear tries to eat you, remember what you did with the whistle. You make beautiful music. It's got a compass, and you run north. Run from the bear. That's pretty good. Oh, here's some more camouflage. All right. That's forest green. I like that. That's got to be my favorite. My favorite forest color right there. Yeah. Man. You want to break up the contours. You don't want to just be one color, right? contour. All right. What else did they give me? Looky there. All right, I like this. They gave me a survival bag like I keep in my own personal go bag. It's got the Swedish, I'm stuck on an island signals that you, when the airplane flies over and it don't see you and you're going YMCA or whatever, they're all right there to teach you how to do it. That's really cool. And what else is in this bag here? This is very neat. I'm afraid to open it though because I'll never get it back together. There's some rope. If you end up on a desert island and there's local girls, you got some rope. Yeah. Yeah. All right. There's a survival book. There's a little multi-purpose tool. That's great. It's got a bottle opener in case you get stuck with a 6-pack of beer. I don't know what the hell this is. It's another whistle. That's awesome. It's flat. Give that to your little kid. She'll have a good time with that. And look at that. It's a perfect little survival knife. Fit in your sock or clip it onto your scrotum if everything else failed, I guess. That's great. Oh, and look at this. They gave me a knife. This is a really nice knife. It says something on here about something commando, the future looks dim. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You can break your glass out if you get stuck in a car right there. That's awesome there. I don't got to use my thumb to do that. It's got a sling blade thing there. You just kick that open. I didn't even know they had these in these countries. I thought they were forbidden here back in the day. When did that come about? Maybe they did it for Chicago. They can't have guns. Yeah, maybe they can have a knife. Little dog, how you feel about that? That's cool. Hey everybody. This is, Ipsy has done really good here giving us this bag in a box. I think though that I'm going to give this to one of you guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I want y'all to go to the link in the description and go to where it takes you and tell me that you want this box. And this weekend sometimes, or by Wednesday of next week, I will draw somebody out that wants this box. Let me know if you want this box. Go over there and subscribe and say, I want the box. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you later. I'm not going to be sending you the gun. I'm going to keep the gun. I like it. I might knock over a liquor store. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.